Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen gadgets with what we believe to be the best metal salad spinner on the market. Introducing the Lily & Stone large pump salad spinner with drain, bowl, and colander. This salad spinner isn't just any ordinary spinner. It's a multifunctional powerhouse designed to make your kitchen chores a breeze. Say goodbye to soggy salads and hello to crisp, dry greens with ease. Let's break down why this salad spinner stands out from the rest. First off, its sturdy construction and smart design make it incredibly easy to use. With a simple pump handle, spinning your greens dry is effortless, saving you time and hassle. But wait, there's more. This spinner is a 3-in-1 marvel. Not only does it dry your lettuce like a pro, but its parts are also easily separated for versatile use. Use the clear base as a serving bowl or salad mixer, and the basket doubles as a convenient colander or veggie washing basket. It's like getting multiple gadgets in one. Now, let's talk about convenience. Ever struggled with messy water splashing everywhere while washing your greens? Not anymore. This spinner features a built-in drainage system, allowing you to add water through the lid, spin wash, and pour out excess water without removing the lid. It's simple, efficient, and minimizes cleanup. And let's not forget about stability. The non-skid base ensures that the spinner stays steady on your countertop, providing control and peace of mind while in use. Plus, the brake button control allows you to stop spinning with ease. But here's the best part. This spinner isn't just for salads. You can use it to wash and dry fruits, veggies, and even spin out excess water from pasta or remove oil from fries. It's a versatile kitchen essential that you'll find yourself reaching for time and time again. So there you have it, folks. The Lily & Stone large pump salad spinner is truly a game-changer in the kitchen. With its durable construction, multifunctional design, and unmatched convenience, it's no wonder why we believe it's the best metal salad spinner out there. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy spinning!